Histamine is a chemical that's naturally secreted in our body, right? And it's typically involved with any kind of immune responses. It has various functions in the body. It helps with your gut function. It helps, with immunological function. It works as a neurotransmitter for your brain, spinal cord. It works for your uterus as well. And typically, it is involved with any inflammatory responses that we have in the body. Now, what happens in histamine intolerance is it's not a typical intolerance, where you are intolerant to or sensitive to the histamine, but it's typically where your body is overproducing it, right? So your body starts overproducing histamine in response to certain foods that you could be eating, in response to certain lifestyle factors that you have, and that is going to create a lot of issues with your digestion and create certain symptoms in your body which are related to histamine. So that's exactly what histamine is, intolerance is. And typically, when the histamine levels are too high because you're eating foods that are too high in histamine, or sometimes you don't have the enzymes that are breaking it down properly. So it's slightly different than the typical sensitivities where you are sensitive to a food. Gluten intolerance is when you're intolerant to gluten. Here, you're not like intolerant, but you have so much histamine in the system that your body starts reacting to it. Histamine intolerance could have various symptoms. You could have digestive symptoms like bloating or diarrhea, IBS like symptoms, excessive gas, nausea, vomiting. You could also have skin reactions, like some people would eat a certain thing and suddenly they break out into hives and they get rashes all over their body. This can also exacerbate if you have eczema or psoriasis. If you have acne or breakouts, it's going to make it worse, and your skin feels really inflamed. So those are skin related symptoms. Now, the same histamine intolerance in certain people, as I mentioned before, could cause a lot of congestion. It could create runny nose, sneezing, rhinitis, where there's like watery, discharge from your nose. It could also create asthma like symptoms. In certain clients that I've seen, they start getting like tachycardia, or their heartbeat starts fastening, or they feel palpitations, they feel a lot of discomfort in their heart. Sometimes, their blood sugar drops after eating a certain food, or it increases. Then certain clients have anxiety, they have stress, or they feel depressed or extreme irritability after eating a certain food, and it's very hard to track because a lot of foods can have high histamine. Other symptoms could be watery eyes or swelling, itching around the eyes. Eczema around the eyes is again a common sign. And then there could be headaches, or migraines or tingling sensations involved. So while, histamine intolerance it has a wide range of symptoms. So it's kind of hard to track exactly what your symptom is.